Welcome to the installation, commissioning and operation guide of NEW2-M switch. Before starting, disconnect the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective glasses. The necessary tools include cross screwdriver and wires. Remove the panel from the switch button. Please connect the wires according to the circuit diagram. Select a suitable position and fix it with screws. Finally, close the panel. Press the switch button to see if it functions normal. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.